The AQI at AIIMS was reported in severe category. In areas like Akshardham, Anand Vihar, ITU, it was in a very poor category. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has lashed out at the BJP-led centre and Delhi government, again led by the BJP, over the thick blanket of smog and demanded clean air. Gandhi posted his old video on X, where he is seen speaking to an environmentalist about Delhi's pollution crisis, claimed that Delhi's air is becoming more and more toxic every passing year. The leader of the opposition has said that the BJP is making new excuses in spite of the double-engine Sarkar. Responding to Rahul Gandhi, Delhi CM said AAP and Congress didn't provide any solution for the pollution problem and have no right to question the BJP government.
पॉल्यूशन जो आज की डेट में है, पिछले साल जब पिछली सरकारों का राज था उससे नित रोज कम है। और जो लोग 15 साल की सरकारें चला के चले गए, कभी उन्होंने दिल्ली की चिंता नहीं की, कभी दिल्ली को समाधान नहीं दिया। जिन्होंने 11 साल की सरकार चलाई, कभी उन्होंने समाधान नहीं दिया। आज वो हमारी 8 महीने की सरकार से प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं। हमारे कार्यकाल में हमने जिस तरीके से लगातार प्रयास करते हुए दिल्ली के पॉल्यूशन पे काम किया है और क्लाउड सीडिंग भी उसमें हमारा एक एफर्ट है। एफर्ट करना किसी भी सरकार का कर्तव्य है और कोई भी काम हम पॉल्यूशन दिल्ली का कम हो इसके लिए छोड़ने वाले नहीं है। हर प्रयास करेंगे, हर ताकत लगाएंगे, हर जनता को सुविधा देने के लिए हर संभव कार्य करेंगे।
राहुल गांधी जी आज वीडियो डालकर पूछ रहे हैं कि दिल्ली का AQI ऐसे कैसे खराब हुआ। राहुल गांधी जी, ये किसी और ने खराब नहीं किया। 15 साल तक कांग्रेस की सरकार ने ये शुरुआत करी और 10 साल बाद में अरविंद केजरीवाल जो आपका सहयोगी है और चुनाव मिलकर लड़ते हो जिसके साथ, 10 साल तक उन्होंने बर्बाद की। मैं बताना चाहता हूं, पिछले एक दशक, पिछले 10 साल के सबसे साफ दिन रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार ने इस साल दिए हैं। मैं आपको यह भी बताना चाहता हूं कि सबसे गंदे दिन अब तक के यह भी आपके 25 साल की सरकार में रहे हैं। कम सबसे गंदे दिन अगर रहे हैं तो वो भी रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार।
Piyush is also with us. Piyush, in fact, the Delhi Chief Minister, in conversation with India Today, has just indicated that the Congress government of 10 years ago and the AAP government has done nothing. But this is the government that came, or this is the party that came to power with promises to clean up Delhi's air and do much more than what their predecessors had not done. What about those promises?
Well, Sneha, the governments have changed, but nothing has changed for the people of Delhi. Every year we see the same story, same situation. And as we are reporting, the air quality index has crossed the mark of a very poor category. I'm right now reporting from ITO area of Delhi, and here the air quality index has been reported to 348. But if we talk about overall quality, it has now crossed the mark of very poor. In areas like Wazirabad, Jahangirpuri, the air quality index has crossed 401 mark, and in areas which are in central Delhi, it is near about 348 to 350. So all in all, the air quality is very poor in national capital. We are seeing how war of words are taking place between political parties, where Rekha Gupta is blaming Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. On the other side, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress is blaming BJP government. But at the end of the day, it's the people of Delhi who are at the receiving end, and every time, every year at the same time, we hear the same story and we hear similar sort of war of words, but no government has been able to successfully control the situation, and it is certainly costing a lot of things to the people of Delhi, because the air quality day by day is now getting deteriorated.
Absolutely, air quality is just only in fact worsening as far as Delhi NCR region is concerned. Piyush, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment.